What if I told you that AI could cut your content curation time in half? Imagine having the power to sift through endless streams of information with just a few clicks. This isn't some distant future. It's happening right now, and it's revolutionizing the way content creators work. Content creators are drowning in a sea of information, struggling to find relevant, engaging content for their audience. Every day, they face the overwhelming task of sorting through countless articles, videos, and posts. This struggle not only eats up precious time, but also stifles creativity and growth. But what if there was a way to effortlessly discover, schedule, and track the perfect content for your followers? Picture a tool that does the heavy lifting for you, freeing up your time to focus on what truly matters, creating and connecting. The promise of such a tool is tantalizing, isn't it? Enter AI-powered content curation tools, your new secret weapon for dominating social media. These tools are designed to understand your audience better than ever before, offering insights that are both deep and actionable. They don't just save time, they transform how you engage with your audience. These intelligent assistants can analyze your audience, suggest trending topics, and even predict which posts will go viral. Imagine having a personal assistant that knows exactly what your followers crave and when they want it. Each suggestion is a step closer to viral success, keeping you ahead of the curve. Imagine never running out of ideas, always staying ahead of trends, and watching your engagement skyrocket, all thanks to AI. This is not just about saving time, it's about elevating your content strategy to new heights. So why wait? Dive into the world of AI-powered content curation and transform your social media game today. Like if this helped you, comment if you agree, and follow for more insights on mastering content creation with AI.